What is Shop Elect? A one-stop shop and a common online platform for the electrical industry, providing single window solution to anybody in the electrical industry.
Shop Elect brings in e-procurement, best practices in electrical industry, ensuring best prices, pan-India reach, 24/7 availability, transparency and transactional convenience.
Shop Elect network brings together approximately 5,000 dealers, distributors, panel builders, contractors, consultants and end customers across India, displaying various projects and their credentials.
Shop Elect employs cutting-edge technologies such as cloud, big data, in an effort to create a unique service-oriented platform for the electrical industry. Shop Elect catalogs common standard nomenclature and categorization for all electrical product lines as per industry and global standards.
Shop Elect provides a robust logistics and supply chain infrastructure pan-India. This infrastructure gives you doorstep delivery with minimum turnaround time.
What does Shop Elect bring to the end user? Shop Elect brings in pan-India sourcing for major electrical product lines, supported by 24/7 availability and 16 hours of telecalling support system. It facilitates pan-India buying, offering best prices through over 5,000 dealers and distributors, competing through spot auction and reverse auction methodology.
Shop Elect ensures doorstep delivery with minimum turnaround time through pan-India logistics and supply chain infrastructure. It maps the organizational hierarchy at the customer's end and supports approval-based transactional flow process. It supports buying for immediate requirements, that is ex-stock delivery, and also for project requirements.
Shop Elect facilitates buying for projects through value-added services like lighting and panel design through in-house software support. Shop Elect also deploys state-of-the-art security measures for making quick and convenient payments online.
So what does Shop Elect bring in for panel builders? Shop Elect provides a single window platform displaying products and brands of all manufacturers across a wide range of product categories required for panel building. It catalogs common standard nomenclature and categorization of all electrical product lines as per industry standards and ensures regular updation of prices and specifications at the SKU level. It facilitates project buying through value-added services like lighting and panel design through back-end software-based support. It provides costing based on SLD with minimum turnaround time.
Shop Elect ensures pan-India buying at the best prices at the SKU level. We are talking about 5,000 dealers or distributors competing through spot auction and reverse auction methodology. To add to it, Shop Elect ensures doorstep delivery with least turnaround times through a pan-India logistics network. Also, a service support with 24/7 online availability and 16 hours of telecalling support. Above all, it facilitates liquidation of your excess stock on a pan-India basis.
What does Shop Elect bring in for the contractors? Shop Elect provides a single window platform displaying products and brands of all manufacturers across a wide range of product categories required for your projects. It catalogs common standard nomenclatures and categorization of electrical product lines as per industry standards and ensure regular updation of prices and specification at the SKU level.
For the price-conscious contractors, Shop Elect ensures pan-India buying at the best prices. Over 5,000 dealers, distributors compete through spot auctions and reverse auction methodology. Shop Elect also ensures doorstep delivery with minimum turnaround time through pan-India logistics and a supply chain infrastructure. A service infrastructure through 24/7 online availability with 16 hours of telecalling support.
It facilitates project buying through value-added services like lighting and panel design through back-end software-based support. It also provides costing based on SLD with minimum turnaround time. It facilitates liquidation of your excess stock on a pan-India basis.
So what does Shop Elect bring in for the business partners? Shop Elect accepts suppliers and franchisee as its business partners, people who have excellent customer contacts and relationships in their respective territories, will network and will represent Shop Elect to both buyers and vendors in his territory.
Partners will pay a one-time registration fee to Shop Elect to get registered as an authorized representative of Shop Elect in his territory. Our partners will also receive an Elect tab, a tablet from Shop Elect loaded with Shop Elect ERP containing the detailed price list and catalogs to meet and explain to the customers. Shop Elect will also help its partners by providing with leads in his territory for effective closure.
Individuals who are unable to become our official partners are welcome to associate with us by providing customer leads, techno-commercial information about upcoming projects in their territory. And of course, ShopElect has an effective system of ongoing rewards to its partners upon their successful closure of each order. So what does ShopElect bring in for the vendors? Vendors can avail the benefit of ShopElect being a one-stop shop to sell their complete product range across all electrical categories to their clients. Vendors can use ShopElect to reach out to customers on a pan-India basis and can also go for a global reach.
ShopElect exposes its vendors to a strong network of over 5,000 distributors, panel builders, contractors, consultants, and end customers across India. It is a neutral e-commerce platform providing multilingual, multi-currency website interface to the vendors.
ShopElect provides technical advice and guidance to its vendors through 24/7 availability, real-time notification service, and 16 hours of telecalling support system. Vendors can avail the facility of selling X stock against immediate requirements and also against projects. Vendors can avail services of ShopElect to facilitate liquidation of their excess stock across India.
Vendors can use the strong ERP backbone provided by ShopElect to track their inventory, sales, billing, pending orders, and other regulatory requirements with the click of a mouse. ShopElect extends to its vendors a mobile application which works on all smartphones to facilitate accessing the service on the go. As a special promotional measure, ShopElect is now offering free registration and subscription to its vendors.
ShopElect's contribution to the Green Initiative through Power Bachao. How? Now, ShopElect brings in energy consciousness in the electrical industry in India through A. A green paperless e-commerce process of buying and selling. B. Promoting energy efficient, that is green, electrical products on the portal. ShopElect website also hosts its own blog, which brings out all green initiatives with the industry that aim at bringing down the carbon footprint of the industry as a whole. ShopElect and its e-procurement initiative. ShopElect aims to deploy category management practices to roll out an end-to-end model for enterprises level customers to outsource their entire electrical procurement spend.
ShopElect will bring in advanced strategic sourcing and e-procurement best practices to its enterprise level customers to drive cost optimization using practices like zero-based costing, aggregated buying, reverse auction, and RFX module-based e-tendering.
ShopElect will provide advanced spend analytics to its customers to facilitate important business decisions at their end through its continuous focus on state-of-the-art technology by exploring big data and its in-house analytics.